how's everyone doing? And so long back I had put commanding oil and few more oils which many of you loved and tried and saw beautiful success in your rituals and in your day-to-day work. So today I thought it's been a long time and I have not brought in any recipe of an oil. So here I bring to you, this is something called as the communication oil. Now when I say communication oil, what does it work with? You can work with skull candles, like two skulls looking at each other and communicating. You can work with that, two siblings talking to each other. This oil can also be used by applying in my palms, that to whomever I'm communicating, they are listening to me and they are understanding what I'm trying to say. And you can also use it in a diffuser. For example, you are in a company and you have a meeting where there are a lot of people together who are going to come and you want them to interact and work as a team. So in that companies, you can use this as a diffuser oil. Even in joint families, you can use it in a diffuser, because what happens is when all of them sit together for dinner or for lunch and you want them to come out of their hatreds and open their hearts out and talk, then this oil also works beautifully for that. So what color candles I can use? I love blue when it comes to communication, so you can use blue skulls. Actually, I haven't tried the combination of blue skull and pink skull also, but I would suggest work on two blue skulls, that they sit and communicate to each other. Sometimes partnerships break and partners are not ready to let go of the money or give us the money that we are actually worth it or we deserve it. Then for that also you can use. Sometimes our parents, our father might want to take some decision for us, but we want him to at least sit and listen, or understand what we are saying. If there are siblings who've had fights for ages, then this works. Even couples, like two pink skulls you can take. If it's a husband and wife and they have their own egos and they're not opening up and talking, because most of the time communications tamper when there's a lot of ego in a relationship, in a situation. And when I am not ready to let go and I am not ready to understand what the other person talks, but sometimes even the other person is also in the same situation, and that is when a lot of issues start. So this works beautifully. Work with skulls and see, work with figurines and see. Sometimes what I do is I represent figurines for those people. I still believe, not believe, remember I had tried once for a ritual for a client where the girl's parents were okay with the marriage and the boy's parents were not agreeing. So I made the girl's parents, I represented as a couple, and the boy's parents as a couple, and then I kept four skulls representing both the side parents, and then I applied the oil, and then I saw to it that they're facing each other, like two couples facing each other, four skulls, both the mothers and both the fathers talking, and that actually worked. So you can even do that also with those figurines. Can I use plain candles? Though I say intention matters, it is the intention with which you do matters, but I would suggest go with figurines and skulls, because when you need communication and when the communication has to be real strong, then it is best to represent the right candle to the universe, so that the universe knows what it is I'm intending and how it is that I'm intending, so that it works in my favor. So I hope it is clear. So now in this jar I have mixed olive oil and sweet almond oil. I prefer adding sweet almond oil also, mainly because for the skin it is good. That is the main reason. And sweet almond oil has its own magical properties when it is for success for whichever ritual we do. Now I have taken out certain oils here. The first oil, now I have taken, this is approximately a 3/4 liter of half a liter of olive oil and quarter liter of almond oil. To this I'm going to add 8 ml of rosemary oil, because I sell oils, all the essential oils now, so I thought why not that I show you as measurements itself. So I'm using 1 bottle of my rosemary oil, which is 8 ml oil. What does the rosemary oil do? Of late I have started using a term, chemical in the brain, actually, to be very precise. So it works on the chemical of the brain, so that the other person, when he's trying to communicate to me, or when I am trying to communicate to him, the chemical of my brain tells it that please listen to what I'm talking first, and then you decide whatever you want to decide. Because I have understood one thing, I've been watching a series, so I've understood one thing, that chemicals do make us do things which we don't like doing. So I decided I will use rosemary oil, so that the chemical in my brain communicates with the chemical of the other person's brain, that listen to me, you have no other choice. So that is the reason I'm using this. Now coming to this oil, bergamot oil. Bergamot oil works beautifully in opening up the heart chakra. Again, I'm using 8 ml. 8 ml is what I'm using in each oil. Now bergamot works in opening up the heart chakra. Only when our hearts open up do we discuss, do we talk, and do we let go of the ego, the things which are stopping me from talking to you or to someone. It helps in that way. So I'm using bergamot. If you see, overall all my herbs and crystals and whatever I'm using in this oil are everything related to heart chakra, expansion of heart chakra, and working with heart chakra. So can I use it for love oil? No, but you can use it for communicating with the person you love. So it will not work as a love oil, but a communication with the person you talk, it works in that way also. So many things here are related to the heart chakra. Now coming back to the third oil, this is geranium, geranium. You all must be wondering why I am using geranium oil, because geranium also works with heart, but geranium balances here. Now what will the geranium balance? It will balance my mind and my heart and my soul, so that I talk the right point, I communicate the right point at the right time, and I keep forward on the dot. I don't beat around the bush and talk, or I don't do things where the opposite person worries or wonders why only I'm sitting and talking there. So geranium balances my hormones, balances my emotions, because if I am going to communicate to you, first thing I should let go of my ego, hurt, anger and everything, then only I can communicate. So when you put this in the skulls, when you put this oil, what it will happen is, this will balance the hormones, the emotions of the person, so that the person will listen to another person. That is the reason I use geranium. Now the last oil that I'm going to use here is neroli. Neroli works beautifully in stimulating the body, the aura basically, so that when I see them I don't get angry, because when my aura is stimulated positively, even when we do skulls or when we do figurines, I tell them, you visualize as if it is happening in real. The 4 skulls are those 4 people sitting and looking at each other and talking. So when those 4 skulls are sitting and talking to each other, their auras should be positive, right? To understand each other and to accept that I am ready to meet that person. So neroli works in that way beautifully. It will understand that, okay, I'm keeping myself positive and open, and the smell will go into your aura and energize your aura in such a way that you'll be ready to meet the person. So that's about the oils. And I use certain amethyst chips here. Again, for me, everything should have a blessing of the divine. So that is the reason, and for me, no better color than amethyst. And also I would say calling on Archangel Michael, because the chemicals with which I am working, the chemical should not give me a sabotaging results or overpowering results. So the divine will handle, protect and see to it that everything falls in place. How many amethyst chips you can put? I have put 2, 4, 6, 7, around 10 chips. You can put more also. When you give your client this oil, you don't have to put the chips and give them. This is the master bottle. Basically, this is my master bottle. So I put more things here, but when I give it to the client, sometimes I just put little herbs and I give. Sometimes I do put the chips also when I give. Again, it depends on what I feel guided to. Sometimes I don't put the crystals and I just put the herbs in the oil, and sometimes I just give only the oil. Now you can give it to the clients, and you can ask them to also make use of it, and make use of it when they are communicating with their partners, just by applying in their palms also, that I am communicating and my communication gets through. Now this is serpentine. Serpentine crystals work beautifully again in strengthening the communication that we are talking. The communication what you put around has to be strong, and it has to enter the other person's mind, and the person has to understand that yes, they are here to speak. Now I'm just mixing the thing blend so that it blends well. The aroma I don't need to check because it is coming till here for me, so I'm not checking the aroma, or else usually I check. Now my oils are always incomplete when there is no herbs in it. For me, an oil has to have herbs, and when it comes to communication, luck and everything, I always work, my main ingredient is chamomile. So here I am using my chamomile herb because I want the communication to turn lucky in favor of the people who are speaking to each other, and luck is always needed in our lives, along with the blessings from the design, from the divine. Everything goes hand in hand. See how beautifully it is mixing. I just love the colors, you know, I just love the energies also when chamomile mixes with any of my oil. It just gives a beautiful blend. If you allow me, I'll just keep only mixing and I will not go to the next herb, but I know I have to finish the video also, else you guys will just switch off and you will go off. So okay, before I forget, you all have to like the video, share the video, leave your comments, let me know if you like this, because if you like this, I will bring in another beautiful and another powerful oil very soon, so that you all can even make use of it and benefit from it. But I need comments, and I need at least minimum 20 to 30 comments. No more 10 comments, 15 comments, because so many of you are watching. Leave your comments, let me know if you liked the way of making the oil, and yes, you can also let me know what oil you want me to make and show it to you all. I would love to make that oil for you all and show it to you all through a video. Now the next one which I am adding is lemongrass. Again, lemongrass opens up success or pathways, one of a major ingredient in your road opener oil, because it opens roads. So here it will open the path of communication. It will help the communication to happen successfully and better. So I have, how much herbs am I adding? Approximately 10 grams, because these packets which I sell here, these are all 10 grams packets. So if you see, I'm adding the full packets here. So those who all want to make oil, you don't know where to go for the oils and herbs, now you know I am itself selling, so you can even order from me and I will also send you the oils. That won't be a problem. And if you want to pick it from Amazon, Amazon also has these essential oils, you can even pick it from there. Now the last ingredient which I'm adding here is my lavender buds. Lavender buds, 3 reasons: communication, heart chakra, blessings from the divine. These 3 are the main reasons that I am adding this for. And after this, what you can do, what I do is I keep it, I set aside for 21 days for this to be energized, and in the 21 days, every day what I do is I burn a white candle energizing this. I don't keep it on top of the jar, the white candle, because it's a plastic one. So what I do is I keep a small cup here and I burn a white candle here, intending that the oil is getting energized for 21 days. Sometimes I do read Psalms also, but again I cannot explain the Psalms and everything here, because then people who are learning my oils workshop will, you know, think that I'm sharing all the secrets here and not sharing it with them. So that's the reason I'm not telling which Psalm and what. But yes, you can always Google saying Psalm for communication and you'll come to know. But again, Psalms have to be read particular number of times and particular number of days. But for you, I think it is enough if you start with just making this oil, energizing it for 21 days. 21 days, 21 white candles. Energize it. Keep it in dark. When you're energizing, bring it out. The rest of the time, keep it in dark. And after 21 days, you can give it to your clients also. They can also use. You can also use it, and do let me know after you use it also how you felt other results. But for now, leave a comment whether you like the way of teaching and whether you want me to bring in more oils, and definitely I will bring in more oils. So I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you, and I shall bring back more such videos in future. As I said, provided I get at least 30 comments, or else I will go with some other video and some other thing. So good luck to you all in making this oil. You make it, use it with skulls, and get yourselves best results. And if there are certain communications which have been not happening for years in your life, then let the communications start happening. Thank you and God bless.